Hello, welcome back, guys. It's been really long. I was working on my YouTube, but I'm back. I promise you. I say it always, but this time I'm going to be more consistent on it. So, I do have a lot of updates to share with you guys. Firstly, I'm officially back in India. I came back in June, but things, the moment I was back, there was a lot of things I had to do, like complete my final exams and then bring my stuff back from my previous university, and all of it is done now. So your girl right here is done with her undergrad. Finally, 3 years of all the sweat, tears, laughter came to an end. Though my convocation is not done yet, you'll be seeing in vlogs, upcoming vlogs in upcoming months when it will be done. So yeah, that's still pending. And I turned 21. I'm really officially getting old, I guess. I know 21, a lot of people be like, oh, that's just the beginning. Bro, last time life was slow for me, I was 16. Since then, it's been like rushing here and there. I don't know when I turned 21. So yeah, that's the update. And basically, I have a lot of pending vlogs of London and US which are not uploaded yet. So they will be coming. I promise you, they'll be coming.
One eternity later.
So guys, in short, this is the area I'll be covering first. So like it's all messed up because I have a lot of stuff here, and there have a lot of stuff in little bags also, as you might see here in my luggage also. So today I'm gonna cover this part of my house, and then we'll go more towards my study table. It's almost organized, all thanks to my brother, but then yeah, I'll be covering that up too. You all, I am done with one section of my room. I've completely decorated it, so I'm gonna show you how it looks like. For your information, I started this process last night, and then this morning I had no energy because I had other works to do. But yeah, right now it's like evening time, and I like completed like at least one section, and I have packed everything I don't need, and I'm so tired right now. But yeah, I will show you that part.